Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a basket pirouette. You ideally need to already know how to do a basket and a first move pirouette. I'll put links to those in the description below so that if you want to go back and look at them, it's going to be easy and quick to find them. Without further ado, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. How long you walk for in the pirouette is up to you. So breaking it down, it starts like a standard basket. We go back to 2 hands. We do the wrap. Now guys, it's important you get to the lady's level a little bit here. So I'm going to bend a little bit just to give a nice strong connection around to support Karen's torso. I'm going to use this hand to continue to hold a frame. I could bring it down to try and help support, but actually it works quite well up here anyway. We're going to lift the lady a fraction, so we're collecting her balance. And now here, guys, we have to walk a circle around the lady. If you see the lady wobbling, it generally means the guy's not managing to walk a circle. So guys, we're going to go forwards and we're going to try and take the lady all the way round. So we basically put the center of the circle where the lady's foot is on the floor. We get all the way around and then we twist the lady out. So we take her center off that foot, the other foot comes down, finish the basket off as normal, round the corner, turn, face, return and back. If you went slowly, it would take more counts to get round. If you went faster, it would take less counts to get round. So the timing I'm going to suggest, and I'll show you from the other angle, looks like this. Back 1, wrap 2, collect is also happening on 2, and then we're going to walk for 3, 4, 5, so we get round in 3 counts, twist out 6, round the corner 7, turn 8, face 1, return 2 and back 3. So let's try that together. If you're a bit faster or a bit slower, it's probably not going to be a problem. So it goes 5, 6, a basket pirouette. We go a back, collect, walk, 2, 3, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. That is the whole move. Hope you find that one fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end. One of the windows that comes up will be to a music video. Something nice to practice this too. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.